Hey there guys, so a quick question. How many colors do you see now? Well, I'll give you some time. Think about it. For most people the answer is 5. But what if I tell you that you are wrong? There are only 3 colors that we can see, and all these 3 colors let us see more than 1 million colors. So what are we waiting for? Let's start the video. We observe light and color through our eyes, mostly our cornea. When light comes into our eyes, it reflects into the cornea so that we can see visible light and wavelength spectrum. Well, there are some other ways you can see color in your brain. For example, this tomato sauce is actually made of pixels in your computer screen. But in real life, light is bouncing off of it, and the only color that is bouncing off of it is red, and all the other colors are being absorbed. That is why you see red in this picture. And it is not only red, all the colors follow this rule. It is the only rule that we can apply to visible wavelength spectrum. Then let's look at another thing, that is our wavelengths. We see all the colors through just one color. These colors help us to see all the colors in the world. Suppose this is your blue wavelength and this is your red wavelength and this is your green wavelength. But what if you want to see a color that is not in this wavelength? Yellow, for example, falls into this line. It is in the middle of a red and green wavelength. So our brain assumes this as both red and green. So both red and green wavelength spectrum send signal to our brain together so that it creates yellow color. This is exactly what is happening in your screen right now. Tiny green and red pixels are working together so that you can see yellow. But it is not exactly yellow. It is a combination of blue and a little bit of red and green. Well, but some combinations of colors just don't exist, such as yellow and blue. You might say that yellow and blue make green, but they don't make another color. They only make primary and secondary colors. So other colors such as green and red, yellow and blue, these colors just don't exist. This is because our brain is not like this wavelength spectrum. This is not like this. It is more like this. Yellow is opposite to blue, green is opposite to red, and black is opposite to white. So you cannot see both colors at the same time. This is a part 1 of 2-parted video. This is a very massive chapter that we are going to learn in the next week. So please be prepared for our next video. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video if you learned something new today. And as always, thank you for watching.